In the silent darkness of the universe, where time itself begins to shake, there is a place where physics just gives up. A place so strong that even light can't escape it. We are talking about black holes. They bend space and twist time and break every rule we thought we understood. So today, we're diving straight into the heart of darkness to find out what really happens beyond the event horizon. Let's start from the beginning, the death of a star. When a massive star much bigger than our sun runs out of its nuclear fuel, it can no longer fight against gravity. Inside the star, for millions of years, there has been a battle. Nuclear explosions inside push outward, while gravity tries to pull everything inward. As long as the star has fuel, hydrogen and helium, these two forces stay in balance, but once the fuel runs out, gravity wins. The star collapses in seconds. Its inner layers fall inward, and everything keeps shrinking more and more. All the star's mass gathers into a tiny, almost unbelievable point, smaller than an atom, but with a mass millions of times than the sun's mass. This point is called the singularity, a place where matter is compressed to a nearly zero volume. Its density becomes infinite, and even laws of physics stop working there. Around this point, a massive region forms called a black hole. Its boundary is known as the event horizon, the point that even light cannot cross. And that's how a black hole is born. From the death of a massive star, infinite mystery emerges. Imagine a line you can cross but never come back from. Welcome to the edge of a black hole. We're talking about the event horizon. The event horizon is the invisible boundary around a black hole. Once everything crosses it, a star, spaceship, or even light itself, there is no escape. It's not a wall you can see, but a point of no return, where the pull of gravity is so strong that it traps everything. And there is something crazy for someone far away. If you fall toward a black hole, it looks like you're slowing down and almost frozen at the edge. But for you, falling in, everything feels normal. Time just works differently near the horizon. Also, don't think there is a wall or a surface, it's just the point where physics says no escape. And fun fact, if you actually get really close, the gravity would stretch you out like spaghetti. Scientists even have a name for it, spaghetti fiction. Yeah, space noodles. So that's the event horizon, the ultimate point of no return. Alright, and now let's dive into something really crazy about black holes. How their gravity twists space and time. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, gravity isn't just a force, it bends space and stretches time near a black hole. This effect is extreme. Your path isn't straight anymore, it curves just like planets orbit stars, or how light bends near massive objects. And remember how I mentioned spaghetti fiction before? That stretching effect still happens. And time gets weird near black holes. String gravity slows time down, bending reality in ways that are mind blowing. Space and time together, what physicists call space time, get wrapped like nothing else in the universe. So black holes aren't just cosmic vacuums. They twist space, stretch matter, trap light, and wrap time itself, all following Einstein's rules. Okay, now we are at the very center, the singularity. Here is what actually happens. All matter collapses into a single point. There is no volume left, just an infinitely dense spot. Gravity is infinite here. It's extremely beyond anything we can imagine. Particles are crashed together, atoms, nuclear force into the same tiny point. The usual laws of physics break down because this point combines two extremes. Extremely small scale, where quantum physics should work, and extremely huge mass, where Einstein's general relativity should work. Neither theory works here. Quantum physics can't handle such a huge mass, and relativity can't handle such tiny space. Scientists are searching for a new theory called quantum gravity that could finally describe what happens in the singularity. Some main ideas being explored. String theory. All particles are actually tiny vibrating strings, and it aims to unify all or forces of nature: gravity, electromagnetism, strong and weak nuclear forces. And also we have loop quantum gravity. It's saying space itself is made of tiny loops, not continuous. It tries to explain gravity at the smallest scale. Both theories try to explain the same crazy place, the singularity. Together, they might give us the ultimate theory of black holes. They are not confirmed yet. Scientists are still testing them to see if they can truly explain the singularity. Space is crushed, time is undefined, matter is beyond comprehension, and nothing can exist normally, not even light. In short, the singularity is the ultimate extreme of nature, where reality itself reaches its limits, and our current physics completely fails. That's why researchers are hunting for quantum gravity to finally understand it. Now, let's dive into the truly mysterious side of black holes. Some scientists suggest that black holes could be portals to other universes, hidden dimensions, or entirely unknown worlds. No proof yet, but imagine the possibilities. Other fascinating ideas include wormholes, shortcuts through space-time connecting distant parts of the universe. White holes, the opposite of black holes. They expel matter and energy instead of swallowing it. Multiverse connections. Maybe every black hole is a doorway to another universe. These ideas are hypothetical, but they show how mysterious black holes really are. Remember, we still don't know for sure what happens inside. That's why black holes remain the greatest cosmic mystery. In short, black holes are not just matter, they might be portals, bridges, or windows into the unknown, and scientists are still chasing the truth. So, we've traveled from the birth of a black hole through the edge of no return, felt how it twists reality itself, and finally reached the heart of the ultimate cosmic secret. And here is the thing, we still don't know everything. Every discovery raises more questions than answers. The universe keeps its secrets for now. And if this video blew your mind, hit that like button and make sure to subscribe, because the journey into the unknown is only the beginning and the mysteries of the cosmos are endless. So stay curious, stay weird. See you soon.